Hi guys, welcome back, and I'm glad you guys can join us. This mini bike's been used and abused, and sometimes things break and needs to be replaced. In this video we're going to be replacing throttle cable, and since this young man broke it, he's going to be fixing it. So let's get it rolling.
So let's see. And yep, right there. As you can see, the cable snapped right there. And to get the cable out, I have to cut all these zip ties. And here it is. There's this little cable holder. And just to undo it, you just have to unwrap it. And then your wire comes out. It'll be much easier to work on it when the seat is off, so. And now this. And take a 10mm wrench and then unscrew with the screwdriver. Now just unscrew the cable. While I was looking online for a cable, the cables were anywhere from $8 to $20 just for the cable itself. But I found this set of grips and the cable for $10, and I got it off Amazon, and with Prime it came in 2 days, so yeah, it was a no-brainer. So this is the grip for right there, and this is the other grip for this side. This is the cable right here, and this is the housing. It's just like the other one. So yeah, let's put it on. So here's the old cable and here's the new cable. And as you can see, the new cable is slightly longer, but it doesn't have this connector. But with a little bit of force, you can take it off, and then before putting this on, you have to take this off because it won't fit, as you can see. Now I'm gonna cut this little metal piece off right here. And guys, don't forget to wear your safety glasses. Perfect. Now feed the cable through the connector and then put it on. Like that. So this is how you assemble the throttle grip. All you have to do is put it through this hole. Make sure it goes up. And then screw this in. Make sure your cable is in this groove right here. If it isn't, then it'll just rub against the metal and then it'll snap. And then put this thing right here. Now put the barrel inside this hole. And make sure it's in the groove. And there. Now this is how it works. Whenever you twist the throttle, the cable goes backwards, and then whenever you let go, it snaps back into place. Now before I put it on the bike, I'm gonna place this metal piece on here and then tighten it a little bit, but not all the way. And now slide it on the handlebars and tighten it. Now that the cable is in its spot, I'm going to tighten it. Now we'll zip tie all the cables and wires. And now we have a working throttle. Let's go test it out.
Well guys, as you can see, the throttle cable was fixed. The bike works now. And I want to thank you all for watching. Until next time,